It is that time of year, certainly, that we do not look forward to here in South Florida. But hurricane experts say now really is the best time to go ahead and get prepared for season. Every year, we see new products and services out there to keep you and your family safe. First Alert Chief Meteorologist Steve Weigel, he's live tonight at the National Hurricane Conference going on in Orlando, where some of those products are on display. Steve?
Yes, there are several hundred, in fact, vendors from around the country with their latest hurricane gadgets, some to prepare before the storm, during, and after the storm, like the mobile response center behind me that's brought in. Typically before the storm, it sets up and it gives folks a chance to get ready and deal with the storm's aftermath. In fact, in Hurricane Irma, it was in Central Florida for about 7 to 8 weeks, they told me. It's a series of experts giving seminars and talks. The experts in the last couple of years have been on the northern Gulf Coast because of all the storms that have hit around New Orleans. And it's command centers like this that really have a chance to deal with the storms themselves. For many in South Florida, it's nothing new. Start stocking up on supplies and making those emergency checklists. It's also the time for companies like Early Alert to get prepared. They have a location in Palm City and work with everyone from residents to governments to private companies.
We start to monitor it, and then really we kind of start to notify our clients when there's watches and warnings being issued.
Inside the convention center, a hurricane expo featuring everything from meal kits to generators, even options for temporary housing, like Fort Services, based in Coconut Creek.
We have impact windows. It's wind rated, depending on the location. When it's not tied down, about up to 70 miles an hour, 68 miles an hour. With tie downs, 130 miles an hour. When they're connected, it increases up to 168 miles an hour.
Some difference is this hurricane season. There are more people in South Florida and issues with inflation and supply chain. We asked Palm Beach County's Division of Emergency Management what advice they have for anyone new to the area.
So we encourage people to do that now, their supply kits. But even if it's things like shutters, it's never too late. If there are supply shortages, at least you'll be on the list to get them when they're available. So people need to start taking these things into consideration now. When a storm is out there, it's too late.
And Mary is right. You want to get ready for hurricane season. It officially starts June 1st, but everyone should have a plan in place now. The Governor's Hurricane Conference, by the way, will be next month in West Palm Beach in mid-May. So we're all getting ready for hurricane season. For the next couple of months, it will be busy, of course. Hopefully the season will be quiet.